Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Vogue and Yoke. So, Diwali aa rahi hai and you guys must be thinking like me ki kya pehnu, how do I do my nails? Oh god, that's a tough decision. But here have you got some various outfit inspirations that are just so easy to pull off, and along with them some various nail art inspirations that you can perfectly do at home and are so perfect for any festival. So let's get started. Can anything go wrong with black? No, right? So here I've taken the most safest and the classiest option, that is a black kurti, and pair it with a sharara, which is super trending yet a simple outfit. You can always synchronize it with a dupatta and some accessories. And for the nail art, I've chosen transparent to black ombre with a little bit of golden glitter in between, because obviously who doesn't like glitter? So for this outfit, you can literally choose any dupatta that you like and knot the ends of it and simply wear it. This will sort of give you a halter neck effect. Pair it with a statement belt and any matching palazzo and you are good to go. Polka dots are never out of fashion. Since my dupatta had a white detailing on it, so I chose white as a base with blue polka dots so that blue doesn't overpower much. So yeah, that was my super easy yet amazing nail art. And for the next outfit, you can choose any long kurti that you have, but make sure that it's a vibrant color like a yellow or a green or a neon pink, and pair it with a palazzo or secret pants and you are good. And for nail art, I've chosen a base color from that of my kurti and literally did golden tips. I mean, golden tips can literally go with any outfit and on any occasion. So this outfit are for the ones who love to dress up on occasions. Pair a simple blouse with a heavy sharara or heavy skirt and a dupatta with a detailing on the border and you are good. To go with heavy outfits, I always like to add more and more glitter. Like in this one too, I chose a base color and top coated with a glitter and my beautiful nails are ready. How can I forget florals when I'm talking about outfit inspirations? Take a simple blouse, pair it with a floral skirt and you are done. This is one of my favorite looks for Diwali. Accessorize it with good earrings and a great hairstyle. So for my nails, I've again chosen a glitter coated tips along with the floral nail art on one finger. So if you want to go simple and minimal, this Diwali outfit idea is for you. Take a long colorful printed kurti, wear it like a dress or style it with the leggings of your choice. For my nails, I've tried to copy the print which is similar to that of my kurti, which is just a simple white base and blue brush strokes on it. This look is really trending. Wear a palazzo and a black blouse. Then take one side of the black dupatta and tuck it inside your blouse and take the dupatta from the front towards the backwards and let the excess fall behind. This look is just amazing. And for the nails, I chose simple black tips, added a hint of golden glitter and I'm ready for Diwali. So hope you guys enjoyed this one and was able to find some outfit and nail art inspiration for your look this Diwali. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye. See you next time.